Stanford University.
There's been a lot of work on bird guano for many, many years, and so we certainly know that bird guano can have a really important role in ecosystems. They've been shown to cause whole-scale ecosystem shifts in subarctic when bird guano is lost. Seabirds can move large amount of nutrients to land ecosystems, and those movements, if you disrupt them, can have a lot of impacts on the ecosystem where the seabirds live. Seabirds are really important to terrestrial ecosystems as well as to marine ecosystems. And in this case, a plant is affecting those seabird nutrient movements. Coconut palms seem to have negative impacts on seabird abundance, and seabirds decline when coconut palms are present. This causes losses of soil nutrients, including nitrates and phosphates, changes in leaf nutrients, and then changes in the amount of herbivores eating those leaves. We would take one leaf from a tree that came from a forest where there were mainly coconuts around it, and one leaf from a tree where there were mainly other trees of the same kind around it. And then we would offer these leaves to a crab. We'd put the crab in a bucket and offer it 2 different leaves. You couldn't tell anything was different between these 2 leaves by looking at them. We had to mark what type of forest they came from, and then 24 hours later we would look back and find out how much of that leaf was eaten. And the crabs almost exclusively preferred to eat the leaves that came from native forests. So even though I couldn't tell the difference between these leaves, both the crabs and the grasshoppers could clearly tell which one had come from the native forest and preferred to eat the leaves from the native forest. So I'm not surprised that bird guano was important. I was more surprised that the plant would be able to affect bird guano.
For more, please visit us at stanford.edu.